Today, we discovered an abandoned Pagani Huayra that had been left covered in dust, dirt, and neglect for a very long time. At first glance, it was hard to believe that this dirty and damaged car was once one of the world's most beautiful hypercars. The paint had lost its shine, the wheels were worn out, and the entire car looked like it had been forgotten. Even though the condition was terrible, we knew this Pagani Huayra deserved a second chance. Our goal was simple: restore this incredible machine and bring it back to its former glory. The first step was giving the car a deep and thorough wash to remove years of accumulated dirt and grime. As the dirt disappeared, the stunning carbon fiber body and unique design details started to appear once again. After cleaning, we carefully inspected every part of the vehicle to identify all the damage. Several body panels were scratched, some parts were damaged, and many areas required extensive repair work. We removed the damaged components and began repairing the body one section at a time. Every dent was fixed, every scratch was repaired, and every surface was carefully prepared for restoration. Once the bodywork was complete, the car was ready to receive a fresh coat of paint. A beautiful new paint finish was applied, instantly transforming the appearance of the Huayra. With every layer of paint, the car started looking more like a brand new hypercar. Next, we focused on the wheels and tires, which had suffered significant wear over the years. The old tires were removed and replaced with new high-performance tires. The wheels were restored and polished until they looked factory fresh again. After finishing the exterior, we moved inside to restore the luxurious interior. The seats were cleaned and repaired to bring back their original premium appearance. Every surface inside the cabin was carefully detailed and polished. The dashboard, controls, and interior trim all received special attention during the restoration process. The interior slowly transformed from worn and dirty to clean, modern, and luxurious. Now it was time to inspect the heart of the car, the powerful twin-turbo V12 engine. We carefully checked every important component to ensure everything was working properly. Old fluids were replaced, worn parts were serviced, and the engine bay was thoroughly cleaned. After completing all the mechanical work, the Pagani Huayra was finally ready for its first start. Everyone gathered around as we prepared for the most exciting moment of the entire restoration. With great anticipation, we turned the key and waited for the engine to respond. For a brief moment, the engine hesitated before suddenly coming to life with an incredible roar. The sound of the powerful V12 engine made all the hard work feel completely worth it. After months of restoration, this abandoned Pagani Huayra had been transformed into a breathtaking masterpiece. The final result is absolutely incredible. Would you like to drive it?